I love gardening because you literally get to eat and be creative with ingredients that you grow. So today we're gonna harvest some veggies and then go to the kitchen to make some salad. All right, when we're harvesting in our garden, we want to make sure we have clean hands and that we're using clean utensils. Okay, so if you take a close look, you can see that I'm really harvesting my lettuce from the base of the plant, so I'm getting as close to the soil as I can and working from the outside in, so harvesting those outside leaves first. And then once you have a good harvest, so once you're ready, you want to take those inside, and with your clean hands, you want to wash the leaves with cool water, okay? So you want to make sure we get everything good and clean. And then we're going to chop it to make sure that whenever we eat the salad, it's like in a good bite size. So we're going to chop our lettuce and our greens, and today I have a few different lettuces. I also have microgreens and lemon sorrel that I grew, and I also am adding some radishes that I was able to grow in my garden for a little color and a little taste. And then the great thing about salads is that you can make your own dressing. And so I like my dressing a little tart, so I use apple cider vinegar, olive oil. I also add a bit of honey to mine, and mustard. And then I do things like salt and pepper, garlic powder to taste. And so the great thing about making your own dressing is you really can change it depending on what you like. And so if you like yours a little tart like me, you can add a little more vinegar, or maybe you don't. And so those recipes will be posted for you online to kind of guide you through that process. Once you have everything in there, you're going to want to shake it up really good. And then look at how beautiful that is. So I added some toasted North Carolina pecans and some North Carolina apples to my salad. And then we want to make sure we get the dressing and all that goodness all stirred up. And that is how you make a salad from the garden to your table. I hope your salad is as good as mine.